Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, we will show you how to bypass a brake pad sensor on BMW. We have that E90 here guys, brake light is on, we have a code for a brake pad sensor being activated faulty, so we'll show you guys how to bypass. Stay with us and we'll show you how to get rid of that light. So just to show you quick, okay, let me turn the ignition on. I have the maxi comb here connected. Okay, we will have links in the description of the video guys, all equipment that we use. This one works on any vehicle. And I went to the ABS module, the braking module, read codes. Okay, and we have a brake pad wear front axle, that's the front sensor. 5F10 or 5F12, I've seen it before as well. So let's go ahead, do the bypass and see if it's going to disappear now. We're going to do that until we get our replacement sensor. Okay, so what we're going to do, we'll just cut it, okay, like that right here. Then we're going to connect these two wires together, but we need to make sure we peel them a little bit. Okay, they're very thin wires, okay, like that. Both of them will need to insulate them really good with electrical tape, and you need to make sure that it's out of the way. Okay, not in the brake roller or anything like that, not to damage your brake line. So we're going just to test if that thing works. Okay, just like that. Okay, so we're going to connect it now. This is our old sensor. We want to see if everything will work out as it should. Okay, let's go ahead, connect it. Okay, like that. You can see the wires are cut. We haven't insulated them yet. We will in a little bit. We just want to test if it works before we start putting things together. So I won't even stop the video from that point on. Okay, the ignition is still on. Okay, we have the brake pad wear front axle, so we will escape from here. We'll go ahead and erase the codes. Confirm. Successful erase. Okay, now let's go ahead and read the codes. You can see that code is gone. We have only the one for the rear axle, so that's how we bypassed it guys. The two wires just need to be together, connected together. Make sure it's you get it tight, not loose, not to damage anything. So hopefully the video was helpful and see you guys next time.